Before, when we had a regular lock, we had a lot of trouble with all the keys. We lost like 6 or 7 throughout the years. My name is Linda.
My name is Patrick.
We live together with our 2 sons, Malte and Melker.
We decided to get a Linus lock. The installation was surprisingly easy.
Since I'm a home stylist, I often carry home things, and it's really good lock senses when I'm coming, so I don't have to fiddle with keys. We have cleaning people and a lot of deliveries, so it's nice to be able to give out a code that you can easily then erase.
It's really nice to see when the kids come and go, so we don't have to call them, just to ensure that they have gotten home. When you go to bed at night, you want to know that the house is locked. Now I just ask my voice assistant to lock the door, and then it's done.